In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI agent that scrapes viral AI news in n8n. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can effortlessly keep up with the latest developments in the AI world. By the end, you'll have a dynamic news gathering system running efficiently in n8n. Let's dive right in by opening n8n. It's essential to start with a fresh slate, so once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is click New Workflow. This will create a blank canvas for our AI News Research Agent, which we'll be building together. Give it a fitting name, like AI News Research Agent, to make it easy to identify when you have multiple workflows in your n8n setup. Now let's set up a schedule trigger. This trigger is crucial as it will determine when your workflow runs and checks for new updates in the world of AI. You'll want your information fresh and relevant, so configure the schedule to run at intervals that suit your needs. This could be every hour, every 6 hours, or perhaps once a day if you prefer to receive a daily digest. These options ensure you have current AI news feeding automatically into your system without having to manually update it. Once you've set up the schedule, it's time to start gathering AI news. For this, you'll need to incorporate one or more methods of news collection. In n8n, you can utilize the RSS feed read node, which is excellent for pulling in news from AI-focused blogs and websites that offer RSS feeds. Alternatively, you can opt for the HTTP request node to access various news APIs. Official publication APIs are also a great resource. And if you're looking to cast a wider net, using search APIs like Serper or Tavily can pull in recent AI-related updates from across the internet. For example, consider tracking sources like the OpenAI blog, Anthropic News, the Google AI blog, Hugging Face blog, NVIDIA AI blog, Microsoft AI blog, and any other AI-focused news outlets that offer RSS feeds. These sources are known for publishing cutting-edge AI news and will enrich your newsfeed. As your system starts collecting articles, you might end up with duplicates, which can clutter your feed and waste resources. To avoid this, deploy a filter or code or conduct a database lookup that resolves duplicate stories. You can eliminate duplicate articles based on their URL, title, or article ID. This is an efficient way to ensure that each story appears only once in your feed, keeping it clean and relevant. With the news collection streamlined and duplicates removed, it's time to bring in an AI agent. Connect an AI agent node to your workflow and select your preferred chat model. Options include OpenAI, Google Gemini, Claude, or DeepSeek. This connection will help process the news updates, possibly summarizing the articles or providing deeper insights, depending on the capabilities of your chosen model. And there you have it, a fully functional AI news scraping agent in n8n, ready to keep you up to date with the latest in AI advancements. Follow these steps and you'll always be a click away from the most viral and fresh AI news. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope this workflow serves you well in your quest to stay informed in the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence.